Hi, in this video I will show you how to change a Wi-Fi password on the TCL LinkZone router. You need to connect with the router Wi-Fi network and go to the configuration page, which is 192.168.1.1. You will need to input a default router password, which is admin, and then go to the settings, go to the Wi-Fi settings, tap on the key, we can tap show password, enter new password and tap apply to apply all the changes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.